Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing of, I think, the December Zenpop box. I'm not sure. We'll find out. Okay, that was way harder to get into than I expected. But anyway, here is our sort of advert for other boxes that they do. You get foodie ones, ramen ones, sweet ones, that kind of thing. This is the what's in it. Let's hide that. And yes, it is. I can see Christmas. Christmas, December. It's the December box. I'm just going to look away and go diving in. Ooh, oh, look at that. Oh, they're so cute. So is this ASMR for you? Because it is for me. I love that sound. Oh, this is adorable. Their packaging is problematic for me. Okay, it exploded. It exploded, but it's fine. Look! It's a little pot with loads of little rubbers, which I will never use. I'll just look at. That is actually so adorable. I'm going to use that as decoration in my office, which is where I am right now. So it's going... I've got little Isabel, so it's going to go next to Isabel. And a zebra. Sometimes it's best not to ask, but I'm going to put there. Little Isabel and the zebra all around the Christmas tree. There you go. My office is now decorated. Next we've got this, which is adorable. These are really useful for your bullet journals with a bit of they're not sticky notes, but they're nice little sizes just for putting notes in. Bit of washi tape does the same thing. So they're not actually sticky, but they are adorable. And look, it's got little penguins and sandwiches. Penguins and sandwiches. I am with this. Next we have, oh, look at that one. That's my favourite. Look at the cheeks on that. Just look at the cheeks, just for a minute. These are like post-ity, stickity things that you can use to sort of just mark pages or put in your bullet journal as some little tabs. And they are cute. Look at this one. This one knows he's a cheeky. That one knows he's got some cheeks and knows how to work it. I'm liking that. Next, some stickers. They are tiny. Look at them. Look, you've got penguins, baby penguins, bigger penguins, seals, cubs, everything. Adorable. And because this is December and we're soon to be next year, look, 2021, we made it, people. We made it. It's a desk calendar. That's actually materially, that's quite a nice, you can't really see the texture, but it's like this canvas material. Oh, and it's all patterned all the way through. I'm not going to look because it's bad luck, but basically you stand it on your desk, which I will do. It will stay in here as well. So that can go in my desk there. Next we got more stickers. Oh, look at this one. I mean, what are you supposed to do with that? That's adorable. So it's little birds and a little kitten and they're having their Christmas together. I like these. I'm so soppy over Christmas. It's absolutely ridiculous. Then we have... oh, it's like a little wallet, a little photo wallet. Let's open it. Oh, there's an envelope in there. So this is to send to somebody. So this you would post, not that I'm going to, post some photos, I guess, or whatever you wanted to somebody that you love. That is cute. Not what I'll use it for, but adorable. Oh, just when I think there's nothing left, there's something else. Oh, look at that. I'm opening it now. So I've got some washi tape with little baby penguins on. Trying to find the end. There we go. Look at it. It's so cute. It keeps going? Yeah, pretty much. There you go. Next we have a matching penguin-y. Oh my lord, look at that. Will you look at that? Now that's some attention to detail. I don't know what it... oh, he goes up and down. Okay, it's a pencil, so that is obviously making the lead come out. But look, he goes up and down. That is so cute. Oh, that's being used. That's just being used forever. I love this. And there's a pattern on it. And yep, we come to the last thing, which is a little dinky green pen, maybe. It's half the excitement is trying to figure out how it works. Right, there you go. Up and down. Yeah, it's a little pen. I don't know if it is green. Let's find a bit of paper to try it out on. It is green. There you go. That's what we got in our Zenpop for December. Some quite useful things, actually. I'm going to use them, I think, to have a go at decorating one of my last weeks in my journal. So here is my journal. I'm not going to be using this next year, possibly. Anyway, I'm going to try a bullet journal out again, see if I prefer that, because it's quite big. But this is essentially something that I made. I've done another video using this. Ignore that. Just ignore it. But yeah, it works well. It's just a bit too big, and it is a bit, seeing it's all printed, not quite right for me. But that's the thing, you try things and you see. But anyway, I have 11 minutes before I've got to get back to work. So can we decorate this in 11 minutes? Of course we can. So we've got our washi here, which is just adorable. That is going to go, can you see through it? That really matters. I'm hoping to not have much to do this week, is my plan. Let's see if I can get that to the edge. Do I have scissors in this room? I do not have scissors, so it's fine. It's just fine. Are you sure I don't have scissors? I have kind of scissors. Not very well working scissors, but they are scissors. Now, can we, very badly, just cut the edges off this? Very badly indeed. The trouble is they don't work very well, these scissors, but we're going to do our best. This is a little lesson in using the things that you have around you and the time that you have, and that it's absolutely fine. Sorry, little fella, I'm going to have to cut part of your head off. I do apologise. I'm sure you don't mind. There we go. That's better. It is adorable. It is absolutely adorable. And let's do a bit more this side as well. There we are. I don't want too much because even though it's this week, I'll probably still be writing stuff in. That's a video that's coming out on that day, just in case you were wondering. And then sometimes I like using these little things just to add a little bit more to the listy type area of things to do. Again, hoping won't be much this week, because it's Christmas and I expect to be lounging in front of the telly doing very little at all once it's all done anyway, so it's fine to take up a bit more space with cuteness. I think that's all right. Those stickers are being used, I'll tell you that much. Does anybody else feel a bit guilty if you've got something like this with a character on and you cut through the character? Is that just me? I doubt that's just me. Like I'm trying to cut in between them rather than through them because I feel bad about that one's head. There we go. Just little bits here and there do add to it. So this is Christmas. What to do? Mind my terrible handwriting. Open all. How do you spell presents? Presents. Just in case if I forget what I'm supposed to be doing. Then, even though it's just a pen, but it is like one of the most adorable pens I've ever seen. Look at that. He is so cute. Write myself a note. Sometimes the most obvious are the best. I've got to stick this guy somewhere. I've got to. He's just got to be used in some capacity. Look at him. Look at him. He's got a little hamster on his head. I mean, what's not perfect about that? He can be my little this side. I'll cover that scrawler thing up. There you go. Oh, you're not going to stick on there. No. Where is your stick, little fella? That's a bit better. I think they like sticking on the washi, but it'll be fine there. One more. This cheap guy. This guy here. He is adorable and he's being used. I can get one of him. There's quite a few in there. And this will last you, and it's not like Christmassy, you know, so you can use that any time you want. Shall we tag Christmas Day? There we go, just so I remember to do this, just so I know. Next we have these ones, which are adorable. I mean, this one looks like every single one of my cats when you sort of interrupt them, and this will be them playing with catnip because they love a bit of catnip. So maybe down in this corner, a little cat there. This one is adorable. That looks like if we ever managed to put a hat on them, pretty much. Maybe this one here, because that's Boxing Day and that's Relax Day. And I think I have to use this one. I guess you pull that middle bit out. There we go. That one has to go on here. It just has to. Let's put it up here. Because there's no work. There's just Christmas. Just for that one. Next we have these ones. What's that? 5 minutes. I'm fine. I'm fine. Move those ones over. Oh, look at them. Look at the little bear. Look at this one. I've got to use this one. I've got to use this one somewhere. 24th is an important day as well. Christmas Eve, where we watch all the movies. Just all the movies. And couldn't find it then. What one do I want? This little penguin. God, they're so tiny. There you go. And one more, because that's me, that's my daughter. And let's have the other bear. There. Adorable. And my son. You know, or me, daughter, son. There we go. I think that will almost do. I want more of this washi tape because this is just too cute not to use like everywhere. Can I move you? Let's move you up there. And then a bit of washi down the bottom. Just to finish it off. And then I think that will do. It seems weird because I've already kind of decided to move on from this style, this form of journal, if you like. But I don't see why it should be neglected, especially not on Christmas week. There we are. Yep, I'm happy with that. Open all the presents. Must remember to do that. Anyway, I'm leaving it there. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe. It would be awesome of you. And have a very Merry Christmas. Whatever it brings. That's all I've been saying. Have the best Christmas this year that you can. And I will see you next time for whatever I get up to. Bye.